Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation. In a previous session, we have seen the logical operator where we can perform the operation on like and, ampersand, that is and, or, and negation operation. And here let's concentrate on the increment and decrement operator. So we'll create a new class and we'll name it like increment and decrement operator. So this is our class. Now for example, we have integer num equal to 10. This is the one number we have, and what I'm doing, I'm just adding num equals to num plus 1. In this particular session, we are concentrating on the two operator, that is plus plus and minus minus. So that is called as a increment, and this is decrement operator. So now let's try to understand this in detail. So this is one of variable num equal to 10, and I'm trying to increment it by 1. So after adding 1 to 10, so that is become 11. So if I'm doing like this, then and printing this, so I will get the result number equal to 11. So that is the correct. Now if I need to perform the same operation, then I do have one more thing or shortcut, I can say num plus plus. So if I use this, then also I am getting the same result like 11. So this is also give the 11 result, and this also gives the same result. So this is what the increment operator. In the same way, if I use the decrement operator, then I will get the result as a 9. So this is what the increment and decrement operator. But there is one catch. Let's try to understand that catch. So now I have two number integer num1 equal to 100 and num2 equal to 100, both having the same value. I'm directly printing the values. So like num num1 plus plus, and here I'm printing like plus plus num1. So this is the two different thing. Now I will comment this because we know the about this. Okay, so what I've done here, I took two variable num1 and num2, and both having in the same value like 100 and 100. And here what I'm doing, I'm just in using the plus plus after num1, and here I'm using the plus plus before the variable, and I'm trying to print the value of both the variable in the form of CISO. So let's execute this. So what I'm getting, 100 and 101. So it means to say that in the first case I am getting 100, and in the second case I am getting 101. Why it is so? I am using the plus plus operator on the both the things, but still I am getting the different result, because in the first example what happened, like while printing num1 is printing and then it is incrementing. So if we try to understand in detail, so in this first example or in this particular line, whenever this particular statement executed, so it this statement is going to print the num1 value, not the incremented value. And if I try to print this value again, like the num value, what is the current status of num value, and let's comment this for now. So in the first line I am getting the 100, and in the second line I am getting the 101. Why it is so? Because in the first line, CISO statement first print the value, then the incrementing operation is completed. And in the second step, as incremented operation completed at the end of this line, so now here we are getting the 101, not here. So that is the difference. But in the second case, if I try to execute this, let's comment this now. So as we are concentrating on this line, so here whenever this printing statement got executed, first of all incrementing operation will be performed. So that's why this 100 will increment by 1 and that become 101, then it is going to printed. So that's why whenever we execute this we are getting 101, not a 100. So that's why this is called as a pre-increment and it is called as a post increment. So let's write down this, like plus plus is said to be pre sorry plus plus num pre-increment, and if we use plus plus after the variable, that is called as a post increment operation. So this is the difference. Now the same difference can be seen in the negation operation too. So let's comment this. Now if I am going to print that, do the same thing like num1 minus minus, and here minus minus num1. So as we have let's take another example or another variable to better understand. So num3, and here I will use num4, 3 and 4. So here what we are getting, first of all number will be printed, that is 3. So here we'll get the output like 100, and here the fun decrement operation will perform first, then printing will be done. So here we will get the 99. So if I execute this, then 100 and 99 we are getting. So this is what the pre-increment, post increment and the pre-increment. Now if we need to, if we are to check the exact operation, is that decrement operation performed or not, then we can do like this num3, because we are printing the value of num3 after the completion of this particular line or the execution of this line. So here in the second line we will get the 99. We have the variable like integer a equal to 10, and I will declare one more b, this. So b equals to, I can say a plus plus, and here I will print the value of b. So what is happening, a is 10 and b is equal to a plus plus, means I can say 10 plus plus. So what is happening, and we are printing the value of b. So first of all a value is assigned to b, then it will get incremented. So if I execute this, okay, let's comment this thing. This is not required, otherwise we'll get confused. So let's focus on this thing only. So let's run this. Now what we are getting, a is 10, okay, and we are incrementing the value of a and assigning to b. But here what happened, we are using the post increment operation. So first of all the value of a is assigned to b. First of all the value of a is assigned to b, then it is going to increment. So that's why in this output we are getting b equal to 10. So if I properly print here like b equal to plus b, and if I print a equals to plus a, then here we'll get the incremented value. So b equal to 10 and a equal to 11. So what is happening, first of all the value of a is assigned to b, then it is going to increment. But now if I make some changes, like if I use like this, then we can see that first of all incrementing operation will done, and then the assignment operation will be performed. So now the value of b will be 11 and a also will be 11. So if I execute this, then we are getting b equal to 11 and a equal to 11. So this is what the increment and decrement operation with the prefix and postfix. Thank you.